You can see that I'm working here in Google Chrome, and to the right of the address bar, you will see that I have a pretty long list of extensions. One of them that is so useful is Grammarly. And Grammarly allows you to check your spelling and grammar and punctuation while you're typing in boxes on the internet. So for example, when you are posting on your social media site, you can have your grammar and spelling checked as you go. So helpful. So I want to show you how to add these extensions to your browser. So you go on the left hand side underneath the address bar is this apps button, that's the colorful squares. You click there, and then in here is the web store. In the web store you'll see extensions and themes. I am not even entirely sure what themes is. I assume it's how you change the environment that you're looking at, but extensions is where we're headed. So under extensions, where we are now, you can see some recently updated extensions and whatnot. You can also search for extensions. And here, for example, if you wanted to search for Grammarly, here it came up. It knows that I already have it installed, and you can see that I have it installed by the little green circle icon here. One of the attendees in our class told us that we could also use extensions in Microsoft Edge, the browser that comes with Windows 10. I have not tried that before, so let's give that a whirl. So I'm going to click on the Edge browser and get that opened up here in our window. And let's see, up here on the right hand side, the three little dots, and then if you scroll down that menu, you'll see extensions, and look at that, Grammarly is suggested. So I've never done this before, we're doing it together. I'm going to push get. Here it comes. Okay, and so now it is added. All right, I'm going to turn it on. And it looks like I interact with the, oh, I see. It just kind of like Chrome. It's right here. Okay, now Grammarly is asking me to make an account, which if you do, you can have more options, and if you don't, you can just use it as you go. I just use the free one, but if you are a professional, you might, professional, especially using social media professionally, you probably should use all the resources you can to make sure you look super smooth online. Thanks for listening.